Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Tess here. I know it's been a minute, it's been a while since I gave you guys a video. I hope you guys are doing well. For those who have been applying to Italian universities, I hope you guys have gained admission. I know the new academic year has already started, or most of you are probably still on the way coming. So, all the best to you guys. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys another website that you can use to make money online. So this website, you can basically earn money by doing simple tasks, different kind of tasks that you can do online. And you can decide which task you are more conversant with or you would prefer in order for you to earn money. So the website I'm talking about is called Toloka. And Toloka is a website where you get paid to simply do short tasks online. You can earn money wherever and whenever you want to. All you need is just a device connected to an internet. So simply, you either need your phone, a laptop, or a desktop to be able to do these tasks. All you have to do is register, and registering is actually free. You have to complete like a quick training in order for you to learn particular types of tasks. And then you can pick the task that you would want either on your computer or your mobile app. And then you have to read the instructions. And after you have completed whatever task you have, you can withdraw your money. So why Toloka? Toloka is actually an opportunity and it is open for anyone, and you do not actually need any skills. It's also flexible. You can pick the task that you would like and monetize it at your own free time. And then you can withdraw cash from as minimum as 2 cents actually. And yeah, you can also learn new skills in the process of you earning this money. So there are different kind of tasks that you can actually do. These tasks include outlining objects, searching for information. You can take pictures and upload to places or objects. You can also rate search results. For example, you go online and you rate certain things online. You can also moderate content so that you can make sure either images or comments are appropriate. You can also transcribe audio if you know how to transcribe. You can also transcribe audio. You can also categorize content. You can compare images. You can take surveys. There are quite a number of surveys. You can record videos, check chat box and answers, verify locations, and so many others. So here, if you have any questions about this website, you can come down and check them. Is Toloka legit? So Toloka is actually a crowdsourcing platform that helps process large amounts of data by distributing tasks to a large amount of number of people. So client companies or requesters usually create the tasks on Toloka platform and send the rewards for them while Toloka chooses tasks. So once you complete these tasks, then you earn money from them, and they are definitely paid tasks once you have completed the task correctly. Will you make real money with Toloka? Yes, you get paid in US dollars for completing online tasks. And to withdraw the money, you can choose one of the withdrawal methods and register in the payment system. You have to simply register your most preferred withdrawal method. Can you make up to $100 a month? The amount of the reward would vary depending on the task or the complexity of the skills that you have completed. But yeah, it is possible to make $100 depending on the amount of tasks you're using, the complexity of the tasks as well. Can I earn money as a full-time? So in this platform, I don't think you can say it's a platform that you would make a lot of money, but it's somehow a website I would say you'd make. It's some sort of a side hustles on your side, on your free time that you can do. So yeah, I wouldn't say that it's a platform where you're expecting or you get quick rich with these kind of platforms. They're simply websites that whenever you have free time, you can make some side money for yourselves. Do I need to pay to use the local platform? You don't actually need to pay. It's absolutely free to register. So all you have to do is fill in your details and register into local. So, and then do you need any diploma or any skills to perform this task? No, you do not need any formal education or anything. You can actually register without any skills. So, all you have to do in order for you to start earning money at Toloka is come here, start earning money, and basically register as a task performer, so someone who wants to start taking the task already. So that is it, guys. It's as simple as that. There's nothing complicated about this website. So I'm gonna be leaving the website in the description box for you guys to see. And yeah, I hope that you guys will find this helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.